Hey guys, welcome to Beard Wisely. I'm James and this is a channel where we talk all things beard, men's grooming, gadgetry, and more. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back. This is a real quick one, okay? I was going through Facebook the other day and I saw where a guy was talking about how he had chunky or gritty butter and he stuck it in the microwave and forgot that he stuck it in the microwave and melted his cap. Okay, so when I saw this, I was like, you don't need to stick your butter in the microwave, buddy. And I told him, I said, there's a lot easier solution to it, and here it is, okay? Now, I'm going to show you an example of chunky butter, all right, or gritty butter, however you want to call it. Now, you see that? That's chunky or gritty butter, all right? And the example I'm using is Candyman from Fable Beard Co., all right? And the reason why I'm using this butter as an example is because if you're familiar with Fable, sometimes you get a smooth butter and sometimes you get a gritty one. It's just how it happens. So this one happens to be a gritty one. Love it. Smells great. Excellent scent. If you haven't had a chance to try Candyman yet, I encourage you to check it out. Excellent. Excellent. I like it. So don't stick your butter or any products in the microwave, guys. I mean, unless it directly tells you to warm it up in the microwave, don't do that, for a number of reasons. For one, this stuff's pretty expensive, right? I mean, you're paying anywhere from $15 upwards to $40 for a tub of butter. This 4-ounce tub of butter, 25 bucks I think it cost me. So I don't want to ruin that investment. That's expensive. So it's not necessary, fellas, to stick this in the microwave. You don't need to do that. For one, and some people might disagree because they say that microwaves don't ruin nutritional value, but I think that you're compromising the quality of your products by microwaving it, especially if you're doing it over and over again, and especially if you forget it in there and you cook it for too long. I mean, you're ruining the container. You know, who knows if by heating it, if some of the plastic from the container is able to somehow, seep into the oil. You just, it's not worth it, guys. You don't have to. It's so simple. I'm going to show you. This is what you do if you have gritty or chunky butter, all right? You grab your butter. You take out however much you're going to use. I'm just going to take this much, show you guys for an example, all right? You take your butter, put it in the palm of your hand, all right? Now, when I first spread it out, it looks a little chunky, okay? But look, all I got to do is move this around with my fingers, all right? Just for a second. It doesn't take long at all, guys. It doesn't take long at all. And look, perfect. That stuff is ready to go. There is not a chunk in there, all right? I didn't damage it. I didn't ruin my container. I'm not messing up the properties of the butter. This is ready to go. Didn't have to use the microwave. I'm not taking the chance of wasting my money. So that's the answer, guys. Right there. It's that simple. If you get a little bit of butter that's kind of chunky or gritty like that, it's just the carrier oils. If you ever see coconut oil, when it cools down, it's thick. So most of the time when you get a chunky butter, it's got that coconut in there, or it's got an oil that's just, it's not warmed up enough yet. You just got to warm it up with your body heat, guys. It's that simple. It's that simple. There's nothing wrong with a chunky or gritty butter. It melts right down, no problem. So there's your answer. Just use the palm of your hand, use your body heat, rub it in, problem solved. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. It's a short one, but I think it's important because you don't want to go ruining your products. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, really appreciate it if you did, because it really helps get this information out to other people. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. See you next time.